Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions by doing all the nerdy comparisons so you don't have to. Today, we've got a drone showdown between two flying gadgets that promise to take your aerial photography game to the next level. On the left, we have the Holystone HS360S, and on the right, the Temize 4K drone. Buckle up, because things are about to get airborne. Let's kick things off with the most important factor: price. The Holystone HS360S comes in at a sky-high $209. Meanwhile, the Temize 4K drone is a budget-friendly $99. Reviewers have noted that while the Holystone offers a lot of features for its price, the Temize drone is a great entry-level option that won't break the bank. Now, let's talk about those snazzy cameras. The Holystone boasts a 4K UHD camera with a Galaxy Core sensor and a 90 degrees adjustable angle. Reviewers rave about its clear and stable video performance, making it great for both beginners and professionals. On the other hand, Temize sports a 4K camera with a 110 degrees FOV lens and an additional bottom camera for creative shots. Users love its versatility and ease of use, especially for capturing unique angles. Next up, connection tech. The Holystone HS360S lets you connect your smartphone to the remote controller using just one data cable, eliminating the need for Wi-Fi. Reviewers appreciate this straightforward setup. Temize, however, didn't specify its connection method, which left some users guessing. It seems to work well enough for most, though. How far can these bad boys fly? The Holystone takes the cake with a whopping 10,000 feet range and a 20-minute flight time. Users are impressed by its long-range capabilities and stable performance. Temize, on the other hand, offers a more modest range and similar flight time, which reviewers find suitable for casual backyard flights and learning. Holystone also flaunts a powerful GPS function with a return home feature, which reviewers find incredibly reliable and useful for ensuring the drone's safe return. Temize has optical flow positioning for stable indoor flights, which users find handy for indoor photography and tight spaces. For all you drone newbies out there, Holystone has a beginner mode, optical flow positioning, and a bunch of intelligent recording modes like spiral up and catapult. Reviewers note that these features make it fun and engaging for all skill levels. Temize offers one-touch takeoff, altitude hold, and headless mode, which users find easy to master but less feature-rich. Lastly, customer service. Holystone promises continuous upgrades and support, and reviewers appreciate their responsive and helpful customer service. Temize also offers dedicated customer service, which users find reassuring, especially for first-time drone owners. However, some users have reported difficulty in obtaining replacement parts. Overall, reviewers find the Holystone HS360S to be a high-quality, feature-packed drone that's suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Its stable flight, clear video quality, and comprehensive support make it a top choice. On the other hand, the Temize 4K drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and durability, making it an excellent entry-level option for those new to the drone world. So which drone should you buy? If you're looking for a high-tech, feature-packed experience and don't mind splurging, go for the Holystone HS360S. But if you want something fun, easy on the wallet, and great for beginners, the Temize 4K drone is your flying buddy. Either way, you're going to have a blast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly safe, smart shoppers, and we'll see you in the next video.